Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are nice. Today I'll be making some curry fried chicken, and here are my many looking little bit lots of ingredients that I'll be using. So first, of course, I'm going to combine my ingredients. So here I have 3 tablespoons all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoon black pepper, half tablespoon coriander, half tablespoon turmeric, and 2 tablespoons curry powder. And of course, it's my better pack curry powder. You guys know how I feel about this one right here. Yes, I absolutely love it. So now let's combine everything, stir it up, give it a nice little stir, rub around, rub, and rub. It's not no rub, but you know, mix up, yes. So here I'm setting aside some of the seasoning because I'm going to be using that later in my flour. So now I'm going to go in on this chicken right here. So guys, guess what? I just want to go in on my chicken first, like properly make sure, say, every single side, every crease, every bits and pieces, every crevices, everywhere have this rub up right here. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going in, make sure you lift the skin of the chicken and get it up under there, right? We need for our food to be thoroughly seasoned. I'm telling you, that are the base to a nice liquor. Well, not only the base, the top, the bottom, the side to a nice dish. And that go for any dish. So same thing for the leg. Make sure that you lift up the skin, which your chicken should be well. If you don't want to wash your chicken, then okay. But yeah. I wash mine. So yes, for those of us who wash our chicken, yes, make sure say you lift the skin and wash under there too, right? So they can lift it and put some seasoning under there. So see the leg right there, so there, so look too white. No, you're getting seasoning in your skin. Season up, my friend, season. So yes, get it everywhere, right? And right there, so down in the bone, because vibes of I don't know about you, me love my bone, yes. So get it everywhere. And I'm going to leave some of this seasoning too that's in this little bowl. So here I'm adding some of the my blended seasoning. So now I'm going in with that. Yes. So now that I'm comfortable and perfectly fine with how the curry rubbings is all over the chicken, then now I went in with that, right? And the same, rub it up and get it everywhere. So now I'm done with this. Gonna cover it, so see it look up on the big side, and put it in the fridge. I'm do it from overnight, so this is like the next day now, right? So I'm making the other part to my seasoning, right? So here I'm breaking 2 eggs, and I'm gonna take out the eyeball. Yes, that little, you know them 2 little something there. We don't like them, that. And the other little white something, man. Yeah, all of them there. I'm taking those out. And then now I'm gonna whisk the egg, right? So get it all nice and beaten up, beat out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add the seasoning that I set aside. So this is what was left back from when I was seasoning up the chicken, right? And then what I added right there also was like about 2 tablespoons of water, and I added some of the blended seasoning to that and mix it out, right? So, and then I add it. And now I'm just combining everything. Vibes Sam, this smell good because listen, this better pack curry powder, it just smell all kind of good. So yeah, give that a whisk and make sure you get everything, get all of your curry with around the edge, get all of your seasoning with around the edge, and just whisk it up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add this to our chicken. So as I said, this is now the next day, right? Because I season up my chicken from overnight. But as long as you give it some hours, right? And you can add this like all an hour, 2 or whatever before you fry your chicken. So here I'm just adding that to the chicken, right? And I want to make sure that I get it everywhere. But before that, I want all of my egg mix up, you know. I want all of it. So scrape it out the bowl. Scrape, scrape, and scrape. Me and one of them people there where you see me just throw out and then when you look one will heap of thing leave back into the container. I don't like to see it. But do you, boo, as usual. We don't judge around here. So yeah, just make sure that you get the seasoning. So I'm just moving around the chicken so I can get the egg mixture all over the chicken, right? So I'm making sure that every piece is getting touched with that nice little liquid. So here it is looking all look cool, proper season up food. Yes, so cover it down, right? Set it aside. So now here is my pot. And I'm adding a lot of oil because we say deep fry some chicken, deep fat fry some chicken. So yes, do that. And now we're gonna work on our flour, and I added the rest of the seasoning and 1.5 tablespoon of baking powder. So the baking powder helped to make the chicken crispy. So now we're gonna dip and put it in, right? So coat each pieces of chicken with that nice little seasoned flour. So vibe some flavor bursting out from everywhere, you know. Imagine that the chicken season. We season the egg mixture and we season with flour. What are you talking about? Tell me someone can't taste it already. Yes, so that is one piece down, a couple more to go. So make sure that when you put the flour on the chicken, you kind of press it down, and then you kind of lift and shake just to make sure say it really staying on the chicken, right? So yeah, just coat it properly, and then that's you. So here, look at it. Tell me, season chicken. So yes, let's coat it. So as I said, take the flour and pour on top of it, right? And shake and dash again, and dash and beer dash, right? And then you're going to want to press. Yes, like that. Press it in. Press it down on it. Yes, press and press. Because sometimes if you just barely throw it on it and then when you lift up the flour, lift up the chicken and you look, all of the flour run gone left it, you know. We don't like that. So yeah, press it on there. You get it everywhere you please. Then set it aside. So now we are gonna fry. So let's fry, my friends. Let's fry. Oh, set it aside for 10 minutes or 12 minutes. I did 12 and then let's fry. So yeah, Vibes fam, you don't want this thing to be on high heat at all. None at all, you know, because you need the chicken to fry, to soak properly and not burn. If the fire too high, them going to burn and them not soak inside. So medium to low heat. So yeah, as I was saying, when you flour the chicken though, after you flour it, don't fry it same time, don't dash it in the pot same time, you know. Put it down for about 12 minutes. Right, until you see the curry just pushing through. The curry just step out and say, yeah, it's all about me, come here, curry fried chicken. Vibes fam, wanna notice these beauty. Look at these pieces of chicken. I'm telling you, so beautiful. Them not pretty, and them say pretty. Yes, them look like uptown and beer things. Them look so pretty, man. So take them out, put them on a tray, just to drain, right? Or if you want, put them on your paper towel just to absorb the excess oil, whichever way you want to go. But yes, Vibes Sam, please make sure say you make your chicken soak properly, right? And yeah, take them out and make them drain. Let's fry the rest. So Vibes Sam, you notice the heat, you notice the pot now bubble up and a grave and a go on with, all kind of excitement. It's taking its little time and it's bubbling away, right? So I don't want to say, all right, my chicken did very big. I fried these in about 14 minutes, right? But you see the thighs, they were humongous. So I think those were about 18 or 20 minutes, to be honest, because they were huge. So yes, look on pretty color. Vibes Sam, I'm telling you, look at them, so beautiful, so beautifully done, so beautiful. Look good, look all the way good. Turn all the way up. Yes. And Vibes fam, here we have it. What a piece of scenting. Grab on a chair. Run, come over here. Mr. Uno, run, come over here. So, stool, chair, anything you can sit down on the assack. Listen to me, piece of stone. Listen, one paint pan. Anything gonna run, come right here. So, uno have to take this in. Take it in. Pretty nice fried chicken, but guess what? I not just regular thing, no. A curry fried chicken to a thing, turn all the way up. Cook crunch, cook flakes. No, Vibes Sam, una listen to me now, una listen to me good. When me say nice, me mean N-O-I-C-E. Nice, bad, no? Nice, good. It's so delicious. Me never even dare think too much, but I was like, no, because I don't like cold fried chicken. So I just hurry up and put it on the plate. I was like, let me just hurry up and do this so I can get to eating. So Vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching. Please try this recipe and let me know how it go for you. Please go and follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. God bless you.